Hey man, it's your boy Sway back here, another freaking video. As you can see, it's a fucking blizzard out here right now, and I'm out here in the ZL1 because I'm a real one, and I'm about to go out here, you know, have some fun. You know what I'm saying? Let's go have some fun real quick. Try to have some fun, you know. Let's try. Try to make it. Oh shit. I don't know if I can make it up that hill. Probably go that way. Fuck it. We're going this way. Fuck it. Oh shit. So it's gonna. Oh man, this shit. Shit. I'm driving my stuff, I don't care. I don't know if this is a good way to go right here. I'm crazy. Oh! I'm crazy. Oh! Jeez! Still recording, chat? Yes, sir. Let's see. Yeah, I'm still recording. Where can I go? Let's go in this parking lot. They still at work. They're crazy. I can't even turn. Oh, there we go, right here. You stuck? Hold up, chat. I'm stuck right now. I gotta back up. Oh shit, my camera getting wet. Look that window up, man. Where's this car going? Fuck it. I can't even spin no more. Let's get the car, take some pics, man. Damn, that's all me right there. That motherfucker sound nice, don't it, though? Take some pics real quick with the good camera. Shit. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Probably gonna go home now, but I don't know. Shit, it's cold as hell, I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. I'm out here doing this video for y'all. I am doing this video for y'all. Jeez. Shit. Doing this for y'all. Let me try to go on a roll or something. I don't know if I'm gonna go on a roll or not, but it's chopping though. Shit, it's cold. I know my GoPro about to die though, so hopefully this looks good to y'all. Try to, I probably gotta back up. Let's see. I'm stuck. Probably gotta back up. Oh, I am stuck actually. Fuck. I'm literally stuck right now. I'm stuck. I'm gonna just let my car go. Fuck, I'm stuck. I was almost stuck. Ooh, drifting. Oh, this is, I don't know if I should go on the street though, brothers. I don't know, man. I ain't gonna be able to get back. No, I'm not going to the street. I don't want to get stuck on the road. It sound nice though, I ain't gonna lie. Shit do sound nice. You can't drive with the ZL1 in the snow. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let me go right there. Take this little salt, get all this shit off of me. Traction, wow, traction. Good traction right there. Turn back around. Turn back around right here. Traction right here. Shit. Should I turn right here? There's a lot of snow right there, though. Fuck it. We get stuck, we get stuck. Fuck it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, though. Definitely not going that way. We're going this way. Who said you can't drive a ZL1 in the snow? Who said that? You definitely can. Oh, 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 oh. No, you can't. No, you can't. Oh. I thought you can, but. Practicing my drifting right now. Well, I guess, man, that's the end of this video, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Oh, let me actually get out. Oh. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video. God dang, you see my wheels is fucking just straight snow on them. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video. Subscribe to your boy. These all me right here. And yeah, man, I'm out, man. Peace.